8223. What method of magnetic particle inspection is used most often to inspect aircraft parts for invisible cracks and other defects? A. Residual. B. Inductance. C. Continuous. The correct answer is C. The method of magnetic particle inspection that is commonly used to inspect aircraft parts for invisible cracks and other defects is the continuous method. This technique involves the application of a magnetic field to the component being inspected, followed by the application of a liquid suspension of magnetic particles. Any defects in the component will create magnetic leakage fields that attract the magnetic particles, forming visible indications on the surface. This method is highly effective for detecting surface and subsurface discontinuities in ferromagnetic materials. 8224. Which of the following factors are considered essential knowledge for X-ray exposure? A. Processing of the film and its characteristics. B. Material thickness and density and the type of defect to be detected. C. Processing of the film, characteristics of X-ray machine used, and film characteristics. The correct answer is B. For each specific radiography exposure, all of the parameters must be taken into account because they are so interdependent. These elements consist of, but are not restricted to, the following: 1. Thickness and density of the material. 2. The object size and shape. 3. The kind of defect to be found. 4. Features of the X-ray machine in use. 5. Distance of exposure. 6. Aspect of exposure. 7. Filmmaking traits. 8. The kind of enlarging screen that is employed. 8225. The testing medium that is generally used in magnetic particle inspection utilizes a ferromagnetic material that has A. High permeability and low retentivity. B. Low permeability and high retentivity. C. High permeability and high retentivity. The correct answer is A. In magnetic particle inspection, a finely ground iron oxide that has a high permeability, low retentivity, and is non-toxic is employed as the testing medium to show the presence of a flaw. It is typically suspended in a thin oil, like kerosene. 8226. Which statement relating to the residual magnetizing inspection method is true? A. Subsurface discontinuities are made readily apparent. B. It is used in practically all circular and longitudinal magnetizing procedures. C. It may be used with steels which have been heat-treated for stressed applications. The correct answer is C. The part is magnetized and taken out of the magnetic field in the residual method of magnetic particle inspection before the fluid carrying the oxide is pushed over it. The residual method can be used to inspect steel that has a high retentivity, retains its magnetism after the magnetizing force has been removed. The residual method can be used to inspect steel that has been heat-treated for stressed applications since it has a high retentivity. 8227. A mechanic has completed a bonded honeycomb repair using the potted compound repair technique. What non-destructive testing method is used to determine the soundness of the repair after the repair has cured? A. Eddy current test. B. Metallic ring test. C. Ultrasonic test. The correct answer is B. The metallic ring test can be used to determine whether a bonded honeycomb repair is sound after it has been constructed using the potted compound repair method. Tapping the repaired surface with the edge of a coin serves as a test. The tapping will produce a metallic ringing sound if the repair is sound. If there is any space left in the material, tapping will result in a thudding, dull sound.